Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1987 Buick Grand National, one of my favorite cars. You can have it in any color you want as long as it's black. Turbocharged 3.8 liter. This one's pretty special because it's got 10,000 miles on it. It's a two-owner car, fully documented. Got lots of original documentation on this one. Original window sticker. It's our build sheet. As you can see, it didn't come with T-tops. Power windows, power locks, reading lamps, cruise, power antenna, which actually still works. A couple letters from Buick. There's our original bill of sale. Then typed out when you come and pick it up. GM protection plan or protective plate. Payment schedules, delivery checklist, and odometer mileage statement. Pretty cool. Car is fantastic. Original spare, obviously never been on the ground. Original jack, never been on the ground. Paint is beautiful on this car. I don't believe it's the original paint, but it is beautiful. Front fillers have been replaced. Rear fillers are original. They have been ordered and not put on yet, so they will be on when the purchase is made. Just fantastic. Original tires, great shape, no dry rot anywhere. They're old, but they still have the original nubbies on them. Pretty cool. Inside's all original. Doesn't even have the coveted scan master. No modifications at all. Completely stock. Interior is gorgeous. This needs a headliner. Here goes the antenna. They never work. The whole fender's got to come off to have to replace it. 10,155 miles. Sound as nice as it could be. These typical headliners, they kind of come down. They lose the glue after 20 years or so, but that's easily replaced. Very typical. Definitely not Grandpa's Buick. Yes, 3.8 liter turbocharged motor. Looks like they added an alarm to it, and also this jack cable. These cars were stolen a lot back in the day, so this lock was added so you can't get access to the hood unless you have a key for the jack cable. Direct shielding on the turbo. Gorgeous. sound of these cars. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.